everyone. Today I'm going to show you an app on my phone that also doubles as a website. So you can see I have it up here right now. It's called CamScanner.com. So you can create an account here, whether you create it on your phone or on the website. You'll see here. I have my account made. So this is actually not my true account, my real account. This is kind of a test account that I have because I don't have any documents in it. I wanted it to kind of be a fresh account with nothing in it so that you could see how I use this. So it'll sync. So this is really nice because you'll be able to use it on your phone and also on your computer. And the really nice reason for this is because if you don't have a scanner at home or a printer, this is like a printer that doubles as a scanner, you can use this for that. So you can take basically a picture of any work that you've been doing or any handwritten work that you've done. Especially this comes in handy if you've handwritten something, or in math if you've done something. You can take a picture of it with your phone and it will actually turn it into a PDF, and then you can attach or upload this and hand it in. So what I've done is I've created, I'll make this bigger. Hang on one second. All right, so what I've done is I've just created like a test scan page. So pretend this is my worksheet that I want to attach and upload to your work. It's dated February 11th, 2021. And then I've also, I'm going to show you, I don't have an Android to test this out on, but I do have my Apple phone, my iPhone. And the app that you're going to look for, that's the logo, CamScanner. So it has CS. Okay. So that's the app that you're going to look at. And when you open it up, all right, my phone's on night mode, but this is what it looks like. So your account will be up here. And what you're going to do at the bottom is you are going to click on this button in the middle, which it looks a little distorted here, but it looks like a camera. So what you're going to do is you're going to press that, and then you're going to take a picture. Now it has an option for either single or batch. So if you want to take a picture of just one document, or say your work has, especially in math, multiple, you're going to take a picture. So I'm just going to go ahead and I'm going to take a picture. And what it looks like is this. So I have a picture of my page, and it actually, it's a little hard to see what's on the page, but it actually has like markings around the outside for where I can actually crop. It reads like I don't have to get really super careful with my edges of my worksheet. Or my page, which is really nice because if you have a darker background behind it, so you can see my clipboard is darker. If you actually have some of that in your picture, it'll pick that up and it will actually read the lighter page, and it will fit that perfectly on that, and it will crop it really nicely so that you don't have to do the work to do that. And then right here, it has a little X. So you hit that and it will turn it into that PDF. Now you have options here. You can turn it to black and white, or you can turn it to color. So my paper is green. So I could keep it in color, or I can turn it into black and white. I'm just going to keep it black and white. I can change the name. So I'm going to change the name to Test Scan. I'm going to hit done, and I'm going to just hit the check mark. And then basically it will pop up in my recent documents. Sorry, it's just wanting me to verify my sign in. All right. And then it's showing my documents. So I know it's harder to see, sorry, but right here, it shows as my document. So as I get more, obviously that will, kind of file to the bottom. You can come up with folders if you have different classes, but this is a really nice way to do it. So there's a little icon here. You're not going to be able to see it on your end, but I can see it on my end that shows it has basically synced to my cloud in my phone. And that means that when I go, I'm going to make here this smaller. Okay. When I go here and I refresh, all right, hopefully it has now popped up in here. And if I click this, you see, and now that's the top of my clipboard, which if I was, if I was trying to make this nice and a beautiful PDF to hand in to one of my teachers or my professors, I would not want that on there. But basically, there it is. And it is the correct size that I want. If I click download, I actually have the option of downloading it as a PDF or a JPEG, and I can download this and save it to my computer or to my drive or wherever I want to save it. And then I can upload it to whatever I need to on my computer or to my Schoology or Canvas or Google Classroom, whatever platform that I'm using it. So again, I'm a fan of this app. It is free to download on your phone. I haven't run into any storage issues. I've been using it well before the pandemic. Again, it's nice even outside of the classroom. Anytime you have to scan documents and get them somewhere, but it's a cool feature educationally and not. So give it a try. See if it helps you, and let me know if you were able to use it. All right, I'll talk to you soon.